you know what critical illness insurance is and why it's important? Let's start by unraveling this seemingly complex term. Critical illness insurance is a special kind of insurance designed specifically to cover certain serious illnesses that are explicitly listed within a policy. This could include conditions like cancer, stroke, or heart disease, to name a few. When faced with such a daunting diagnosis, the last thing you want to worry about is the financial burden that comes with it. That's where critical illness insurance comes in. If you're diagnosed with one of the conditions covered under your policy, you'll receive a lump sum payout. This can help cover a variety of costs, from medical bills to living expenses, giving you one less thing to stress about during a challenging time. Now that you have a basic understanding of what critical illness insurance is, let's dive deeper into why it's important. Why should you consider getting critical illness insurance? Now, we all know that life is full of surprises and not all of them are good. Imagine being hit with a serious illness. The emotional toll is heavy, but there's another aspect that can make it even more challenging: the financial burden. Medical bills can stack up quickly, and lost income can add to that stress. This is where critical illness insurance comes into play. This insurance is made to alleviate that financial stress, allowing you to focus on your healing. It provides a lump sum payment if you have a specified illness, such as cancer, heart attack, or stroke. This payout can be used to cover medical costs, everyday expenses, or even a much-needed vacation once you're back on your feet. So while we hope you'll never need it, having critical illness insurance can be a financial lifesaver. Remember, being prepared can make a world of difference when dealing with a serious illness. Are you finding this information helpful? We're thrilled to bring you more videos that unravel the complexities of subjects like critical illness insurance. When you hit that like button, it's a vote of confidence for us. It tells us you're enjoying the content and you want more. Sharing the video helps others discover these insights too. And by subscribing, you become part of our informed community, always in the loop with our latest content. So don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more information like this. So how do you choose a critical illness insurance policy? It's not as hard as it sounds if you break it down into a few key factors. Now let's get started. First, consider the illnesses covered by the policy. Different policies cover different illnesses, and it's crucial to choose one that covers the most common ones, such as heart disease, stroke, and cancer. But don't stop there. Make sure to consider your family history and personal risk factors as well. Next, think about the payout amount. This is the money you'll receive if you're diagnosed with a critical illness. It should be enough to cover your medical bills, loss of income, and other expenses. This will vary based on your lifestyle and financial obligations, so give it some thought. Then there's the premium costs. That's the amount you'll pay for the insurance. This is a balancing act between affordability and coverage. Remember, the cheapest policy isn't always the best. It's worth paying a little more for a policy that provides this comprehensive coverage. Lastly, consider the reputation of the insurance provider. Look at their customer reviews and ratings, their claim settlement ratio, and their financial stability. These factors can give you a good idea of the kind of service you can expect. Choosing the right Critical illness insurance policy is a decision that should be made with care. The right policy can provide peace of mind, knowing you're financially protected if a critical illness strikes. Let's recap what we've discussed today. Critical illness insurance provides financial support during a major illness. It's important to be prepared. Remember, critical illness insurance can provide you with financial support at the time you need it most.